Changing the date of your Air Canada flight starts by checking your ticket type. Different fare classes offer varying flexibility for changes, with some allowing free modifications and others requiring fees. To access your booking, visit Air Canada's official website, sign into your account, or use the Manage Bookings feature. Then, enter your booking reference and last name to retrieve your flight details. Next, select the flight you want to change and choose new travel dates by browsing available flights. Carefully review the changes, including any additional fees or fare differences. If there are any fees due to a more expensive flight or a less flexible ticket, you'll need to pay the fare difference and any applicable change fees through the website's payment process. After selecting your new flight and paying any fees, review all changes and costs. Once everything is confirmed, you will receive an updated itinerary via email. Make sure all details are correct and save this email. For those who prefer personal assistance, Air Canada's customer service is available, or you can visit a ticket counter at the airport to make changes. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and adjust your travel plans with Air Canada, ensuring a smoother and more flexible travel experience. Remember to subscribe to American Flight Reservation for more travel tips and expert advice to help you travel smart and stay informed. Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check-in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.